Hello and welcome to the Office Superheroes channel. My name is Nicholas and in this short video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide the formulas panel in Excel really quickly and easily. Okay, so let's get started. If we want to hide the formula bar, we're going to go to the View tab, which we'll find on the top bar. Now we're going to go to the Show group. This is where Excel gives us a number of functions in the spreadsheet. If we want to hide the panel, we click on the formula bar option and the panel will no longer be visible. The panel will be hidden immediately. This is an amazing way to increase the space in your workbook. Well done! If we would like to unhide the panel again, we simply just go to the View tab. We'll go to the Show tab. We'll check the formula bar option. The bar will be displayed again. It was a piece of cake, wasn't it? Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful to you. If so, let us know via comment or liking. Would like to see more videos on how to quickly and really easily learn how to work with Excel? In that case, don't forget to subscribe. That's all for me. I'm Nicholas from Office Superheroes and I hope to see you in the next video.